Hey, what exactly is a Gold IRA, and why does the IRS care where your gold sleeps? In simple terms, it's a self-directed IRA that holds physical gold instead of stocks and bonds. The IRS allows it, but they have strict rules about purity and storage. You can't just buy any coin and stick it in your safe. If you're within 10 years of retirement, this affects you directly. So stick with me. A Gold IRA lets you hold physical precious metals inside a self-directed individual retirement account. You still get the same tax advantages as a regular IRA, but instead of owning stocks and bonds, you own real gold, silver, platinum, or palladium inside the account. That means you're holding something physical rather than a paper promise. The IRS normally bars collectibles from retirement accounts, and they classify most coins and metals as collectibles, but they make an explicit exception for certain bullion that meets their purity and storage standards. So a Gold IRA isn't some separate account type with new tax rules. It's the same IRA framework you're already familiar with, just filled with physical assets instead of paper ones. Now here's the part that matters. The IRS sets purity rules for every metal that goes inside. Gold must be at least 99.5% pure. The American Gold Eagle is the one exception, which only needs to be 91.67% pure. Silver needs a purity of 99.9%, while platinum and palladium must be 99.95% pure. You also can't store this gold at home in your personal safe. The IRS requires an approved custodian to handle the account, and the metals must be stored at an approved depository. You can move money into the account with a direct transfer or a rollover from an existing IRA or 401k. In 2026, you can contribute up to $7,500 a year, or $8,600 if you're 50 or older. The government also requires you to start taking distributions at age 73. You'll face a 10% penalty if you withdraw before age 59 and a half. Keep in mind that physical bullion doesn't pay dividends or interest. So, what does this mean for you? A Gold IRA works best as a diversification tool, not a replacement for your entire retirement plan. If you're near retirement and worried about inflation eating your paper assets, adding physical metals can make sense. It gives you something tangible that behaves differently from stocks and bonds when markets get rough. The setup is straightforward. You open a self-directed IRA and choose an IRS-approved custodian. A transfer or rollover from your existing plan moves the money over. Then you pick eligible metals and have them sent to an approved storage facility. If you want to see whether a Gold IRA fits your situation, I've linked a free Gold IRA kit in the description. It walks through the rules, the costs, and the steps with no pressure. Just the facts. Talk to a specialist, get your questions answered, and protect what you've built. If this helps, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions.